Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims economic questions. Okay, so this session is purely focused on how to approach the upcoming Prelims exam. Okay, and how to eliminate the statements and also how to find the key within the statements. Okay, so this session is purely focused on that. Let's begin the session. Okay. The economic cost of the food grain to the Food Corporation of India is minimum support price and the bonus, if any, paid to the farmer plus. Okay, so first of all you have to know about what is MSP. Okay, so MSP is the minimum support price. It is the price at which the farmer sells their produce to the government. Okay, see, the MSP prices are announced by the government of India before the sowing period of the farmer. Okay, to create the confidence among the farmer to go for a cultivation, because there are lot of issues may happen after the produce was done. Okay, the selling price may getting down. Okay, it may fall down. Okay, in such a scenario, the farmer have to just sell all their produce at the price of the market price only. Okay, if the farmer may have a thought process of 1 quintal of their produce may sell in the market as 2000 rupees, so such a scenario, in such a thought process, they will spend lot more money towards that. Okay, but the market price may fall down due to the bumper production. It may end up as 500 rupees only. Okay, in such a scenario, they will lose all their money. Okay, to overcome all this issue, the government will announce the MSP. Okay, so if the producer, okay, if the farmers produces fall down, okay, if the farmers produce prices crashing down, means at that time period the government will take part in the market activities and they will procure all the produce. Okay, so for that MSP was announced. Okay, so here it is mainly focused on the economic cost of the food grains to the Food Corporation of India. Okay, it is MSP plus bonus paid to the farmer plus what? Okay, so what that Food Corporation of India is doing is, the Food Corporation of India is going to purchase. Okay, they are going to procure the okay, the Food Corporation of India is going for the procurement activities from the farmer. Okay, if there is a price crash, means the Food Corporation of India go for this activity. Okay, they will buy all the produce from the farmer at the price of MSP. Okay, so the procurement cost of that Food Corporation of India will be MSP plus what are the things will be there is procurement cost, which means they have to transport it. Okay, they have to store it. Okay, after which they have to send that all the procured product, all the procured produce to the state governments. Okay, there will be godowns for the state government, they have to send it. Okay, the state government, what they will do is they will sell it in the PDA shop or a ration shop, public distribution system. Okay, through the state government will sell that product. Okay, but the Food Corporation of India have to manage all the economic activities. Are what are the economic activities are MSP. Okay, then the procurement cost, which means there is a they have to maintain the godown. Okay, and the transport activities. Okay, to maintain godowns. Okay, and then transportation cost. Okay, so these things will be the economic cost for the Food Corporation of India. Okay, after all the procured goods or the food grains is sent, okay, it's been sent to that state government, means then the management activity will be carried forward by the state government itself. Okay, after which from that godown, okay, state government's godown, the procured food grains are sent to the PDA shop, and the spending on that thing is managed by the state government. Okay, so up to sending all the procured to the state government godown is maintained by the cost spent or the expenses will be borne by the Food Corporation of India. Okay, so these are the things you have to note. Okay, so transportation cost only, okay, interest cost only, okay, then the C is procurement incidental and the distribution cost. Okay, the distribution cost is nothing but the sending of that all the produce to the state government. Okay, that is the distribution cost. Okay, procurement incidental and the charges for the godown. Okay, so the distribution cost. Okay, so please note that the answer is C. Okay, so sending it to the distributing it to the state government. Okay, the maintaining of the godowns by the state government. Actually, the state government is going to maintain the godowns of their procure. Okay, so the answer D is wrong. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, and also I have listed something. Okay, who will recommend the MSP price? Okay, it is CACP. Okay, so the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price, they will recommend the MSP prices. Okay, and the final say will be done by the Committee on Economic Affairs. It is headed by the Prime Minister. Okay, these are the questions once again they asked. Okay, it is actually twice that in 2019 also they asked, and also in 2021 also they asked about these questions. Okay, so who recommend the MSP price? Okay, it is recommended by the CACP, but it is the final say will be done by the Committee on Economic Affairs. Okay, so these are the things you have to note it. Okay, and also you have to note this thing also. Okay, there is a talk going on by the MS Swaminathan Committee. Okay, so usually the government is usually the MSP price will be decided based on the formula of A2 plus F4. Okay, but what the MS Swaminathan Committee is saying is it is C2 plus F4 the government have to provide. Okay, such a way the MS Swaminathan Committee is recommending. Okay, first of all, what is A2? A2 is the direct cost incurred by the farmer, including the expenses on the seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, labor and more. Okay, and then the FL means it is the family laborer. Okay, they are doing the unpaid work. Okay, if they are working in any if they are going for working in any one other field, means that they will be get certain pay, but in their field they are doing all the activities without a pay. Okay, so the government have to provide that thing also. Okay, so that is called as A2 plus F4. Okay, what is C2 is it is a more comprehensive cost that also consider the rental and foregone interest on the owned land, which means consider that I have a land of 2 hectares of land. Okay, so what I am doing is if I am going to lend this land or going to lease this land, means I will get certain money. Okay, so that is called as opportunity cost. Okay, but what I am doing is without leasing my land, I am going for a cultivation. Okay, see, which means I am actually losing certain money from the lease. Okay, if I am going for a lease activities, means I will get certain money, but without that I am going for cultivation. Okay, so such a scenario the government have to provide that thing also. Okay, so for that it is called as C2. Okay, so the MS Swaminathan Committee, what the MS Swaminathan Committee is saying is the government have to fix the MSP price as C2 plus F4. Okay, so such a way the MS Swaminathan Committee is actually arguing. Okay, this scenario is actually going on. Wait and see. Okay, so please note that what is C2, what is A2. Okay, so A2 means it is all about the expenses on the seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, all these things. Okay, FL means unpaid family worker, family laborer. Okay, if that person is going for work in another field, means they will get certain money as a income, but they are losing it and they are working in their field. Okay, for that also the government have to pay. See, first of all, why the MSBs need to be provided? If there is no MSB means there won't be any cultivation activities. Okay, because that are lot of issues when it comes to the agriculture sector. Okay, because the first issue is climate change. Okay, next is there is a drought, flood, all these issues are there. Okay, even I spend lot of money on fertilizer, seeds, and a lot of on the land. Okay, what if there is a flood means? What if there is a drought? Okay, so I going to lose it. Okay, in such a scenario, what the person will think is, spending all my money on this field, may I just go for any other activities? I may go for a business activities. Likewise, if the farmer is just tilted over it, means the farmer is just moving away from that agriculture activities, means India will become as a import dependent. Okay, food grains import dependent country. Okay, if the India is becoming like that, means it will hugely affect the sovereignty of the India. Okay, so to overcome all these things, they are providing MSB and ask the farmer to do the farming activities, to push the farmer to do the farming activities. Okay, for that only these much things are done by the government of India. Okay, thank you.